Hi, this is Arvind, and today I'm going to show you how you can manage the drive in Bitrix24. So let's begin by going to the Bitrix24 website. On the left side of your screen, in the list of menus, you can find the drive here just below the documents, and we are already on the page here where you can see these entities like we have my drive, company drive, drive cleanup, and we have more also. And if you can see it here, you can see the list of files and the documents here. So before walking you through these lists of documents, you can see we have something called ID, by ID, where you once you click this drop down, you can sort of these files here by the date or by ID or by name or by size or reverse by mix sorting. And next to that, you have the list view. So right now, what you are seeing these files, these are on a list view, I mean the format. And next to that, you also have the grid format where once you click it, you can see these VD files here in a grid format. And if you want, you can select tile format as well here. But I prefer the list one, so I'll go back to the list. All right, so these are the files that were uploaded or were created over the last few days. And next to that, you can also see these horizontal bars. So let me show you how it works. Once you click it, open, these action menu comes up on your screen where you have open, download, you can share it also. You can rename, copy, move, and you can also disconnect it. Move is where, say, for example, once you click it, you can select where you want to, move this Maverick project, to which folder you want to move it to. You can see the list here, but right now I'll just skip it. And you also have more features like, say for example, share. In share we have three options, like a get public link, we have copy internal link, share with other users. So public link is where you can not only share this particular file with your co-workers, you can also share it externally, sorry. You can share it externally, where once you click this, a small window pops on your screen, and you can see it's already enabled. Just click this gear icon here, and you can see you can set expiration date and time, which means you can select for how long you want this file to be available in public. You can also set a password for this and just click save here. And then if you go, we have copy internal link, where once you click it, a link is created. You say, you can see that a link copied to the clipboard, you can share it with your co-workers, and then share with other users, where once you click it again, this window pops up on your screen. You can select with whom you want to share this particular file with. If you click this add more, you can see the list of your co-workers, you can see the group here, also the departments, and you can decide with whom you want to share this file. All right, if you just dive deeper, you can see this Maverick project again. If you click, you have the same action menu here. Just let me show you. Yeah, now you can see we have this PPT Maverick 3D design, where if you click this horizontal bar again, you will see this action menu comes up with a couple of features more, like you have the details, where once you click it, you can see it here, the details of this PowerPoint. And then we have download and lock. Okay, you can also select a lock option, where if you click it, you can see it shows as this file has been locked, where at the most the other users can view it, they can see it, but they cannot mess around, they cannot make any kind of changes in this or edit anything in this unless you give any access permission to them. So you have the lock option also here for this particular file. I'll just unlock it, and then you is something that I already explained to you. And we have this revision history also, where once you click it, you can see when was the last modification done on this particular file. You can see as 6th of July, you can see the time as well, the name of the file, and you can see who did it. And if you click this horizontal bar, you have the download and also restore it, where you can just restore it to its original version, this file. All right, so that was about my drive. And if you move further, you have this company drive, where once click it, you can see again these documents and the files here, where everyone in the company can view it. They can also make any kind of editing here, and by default the admin has got all the access to this company drive, and if required, he or she can decide or select the access permission or deny it to the co-workers here in the company. So company drive, it's you can say also say it's like, you know, a shared document library where the files and documents of all the company contains in this particular, or stored in this particular company drive. You can also upload or upload file or documents here as well. And next to that, we have this drive cleanup, where once you click it, you can you know, do the scanning here. You can say, suppose there is an old file here or old document that you want to delete it, you know, you can just clean it up if they are, say for example, very old and it's of no use to, say 1 or 2 years old, so that more space is created, or you know, remove the unnecessary files, and it reduces, it helps you reduce the space here. All right, so coming back to the company drive, let me just click it. Yeah. And if you go a little further to your right, you can see this recycle bin. There's something that I have already, you know, showed you in one of my previous videos. Uh, if you delete any file or any, you know, document anything, it stays here for 30 days. And in case you want it later on, you can always come back and retrieve the file from the recycle bin. And next to that, we also have this add here, this drop down, where once you click it, you can attach any file from your desktop, that you can do it. And you can also create a folder here, just name it, and you can do it here. Let me just show you. We have August. All right, so a folder has been created here, and of course you can open it and attach any file here, but more of it later. So just below the folder, we also have this Bitrix24 docs and the Google of MS Office. We have Office 365 desktop applications. These can be integrated in Bitrix24 and the Google Bitrix24 docs, where once you click it again, you will see this inbuilt document here. And similarly, you can also see the Excel and PPT as well. Just type the relevant information and context, and it gets saved on its own and gets uploaded on its own also. This is also something that I showed it to you in one of my previous videos, and you can simply share it with your co-workers also, where they also can add uh, their information here in this. Just click this edit permissions and you can share it with your co-workers. All right, so that is how you can manage the drive in Bitrix24. See you all again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.